I think, off the legs. Oh, and yes, Kapil Koth once again, right arm down the wicket from CHB Commerce Class 11 and bowling to Vinayak. That ball shot. That is in there. Man coming under it and drops. And the batsman picks up 2. By the time Darpan, have dropped the catch. That ball has been straightly driven, straight to the man there. And the batsman going for another couple. So 2 more to the total. Score moves on to 4 for SCHB 11. And Vinayak moves on to 4. A possible chance dropped by Darpan Mahendra Trivedi of over. And yes, Kapil Koth once again setting the field for the Chabuk 11. Kapil Koth once again, right arm round the wicket from the CHB Commerce Class end. Will be bowling to Vinayak, batting on 4. Kapil to Vinayak, that ball outside the off stump, missed by wicket keeper, running down to other man. That's another activity boundary. Waiting for umpire. 4 by your bat. 4 runs to Vinayak. That was off the bat of Vinayak. So that was an activity boundary to Vinayak. He moves on to 8 and the total for the Sri HB moves on to 8. Five runs. Okay. 4 5 रन नहीं 4 नहीं 4 बाय 4 मैंने हाथ ऊपर की दो 4 बाय no ball extra with the that ball has been driven handsomely straight to the fielder. 1 more to the total. Vinayak and its score moves on to 9. Kapil Koth once again, this time over the wicket, will be bowling to the right-handed batsman Pranav Lakshman Trivedi of Bamnera. Kapil Koth to Pranav, that was handsomely driven straight to mid-off fielder for a single. 1 more to the total. Score moves on to 10 for Sri HB 11 in the first over after winning the toss and batting first. Char. That marks end of the first over. So at the end of the first over, the score reading on 10. Sri HB 11 after winning the toss and batting first against Chabuk 11, the 4th match of this tournament. Mawad Youth Club. The second over to be bowled by Rakesh Dharawat. Rakesh Girish Dharawat of Hatal will be bowling the second over of the inning. Bowling to Pranav Lakshman Trivedi of Bamnera. That ball outside the leg stump, wide declared by umpire. 1 more. कमेंटेटर बॉक्स के राइट हैंड साइड पे जो बच्चे लोग जंप कर रहे हैं नीचे उतरो. Rakesh Dharawat, right arm, left arm over the wicket to once again a wide ball, second wide of the over, and the total moves on to 12. Rakesh Dharawat, left arm over the wicket from CHB class end. HB 3HB Commerce Class है ना? 3HB Commerce Class end. Left arm over the wicket to Pranav. That was it. I think it was a possible chance. 1 more to the total. It's a leg by called by umpire. So 1 more to the extras. Rakesh Dharawat once again from Sri HB Commerce Class End. Left arm over the wicket, bowling to Vinayak. That ball outside the off stump. Left set alone, no run result. That ball outside the off stump, punched away into the vacant area. Point. Lovely fielding and the batsman picks up 2. So 2 more to the total. Score moves on to 15. 15 without loss in the second over after winning the toss and batting first. Sri HB 11. Rakesh Girish Dharawat once again. Left arm over the wicket. Bowling from Sri HB Commerce Class 11 end. Umpire setting the stumps. The fourth match in the progress.
हेलो भरत भाई दवे जो लेग एम्पायर का भार संभाले हुए हैं, बहुत दिनों के बाद लेग एम्पायरिंग कर रहे हैं और स्टंप के साथ काफी मशक्कत करनी पड़ रही है.
So all set now. Vinayak ready. And here's Rakesh Dharawat. Left arm over the wicket from the HB class and ball offside the off stump. Batsman flashes, misses completely. Wicketkeeper collects no run result. Sri HB 11 after winning the toss batting first in the second over. 15 without loss. Rakesh to Vinayak. That ball once again. Vinayak want to hit it, misses completely. Wicketkeeper collects, questions the umpire. Nothing doing, says umpire Gupta. Tushar Gupta. And here's Rakesh to Vinayak. That ball has been lovely. Correct. Activity 6 from Vinayak Dharawat. That was shot on the leg stump, pulled away into the square leg fence for excellent activity 6. Ball. Umpire ball. The 6 takes HB 11 to 21. So that marks end of the Dipesh Bhatt to bowl the third over of the inning will be bowling to Pranav Lakshman Trivedi. Dipesh from Sri HB Commerce Class End. Right arm round the wicket to Pranav. Oh, that was a possible chance on the return ball running down towards the mid-on for a single. Only one they will get. One more to the total. Score moves on to 22 in the third over. 22 without loss in the third over after winning the toss and batting first. Sri HB 11. Dipesh to Vinayak. That ball. Oh. Once again, Vinayak want to steer it. Misses completely. Wicketkeeper collects no run result. Dipesh to Vinayak. That ball has been in the air into the vacant point area. 4 runs. That was an activity from Vinayak. 4 more to the total. Score moves on to 26. 26 without loss in the third over. Dipesh Bhatt to Vinayak once again. That ball has been lifted in the air. There is a man there. One bounce to him. And only one they will get. One more to the total. Score moves on to 27. 27 without loss in the third over. That ball on the leg stump has been punched away into the deep square leg. A wicketkeeper running after it. There is no man behind the stumps and the batsman picks up 2. So 2 more to the total. Score moves on to 29. Leg by declared by umpire, so it was off the legs. So 2 more to the total. Score moves on to 29. 29 without loss in the third over. HB Class 11. That ball has been straight to the cover fielder for a single. So 1 more to the total. Score moves on to 30. 30 without loss. So that marks the end of the third over. So after 3 overs, the score reading on 30. 30 without loss for the SCHB 11. After winning the toss and batting first. Vinayak and Pranav right in the middle. And the further commentary in Hindi from Mr. Dasrath.
अनिल, लगता है सबसे ज्यादा साझेदारी पहले विकेट के लिए आज की टूर्नामेंट में.
Hello, that's correct, Dasrath.
गेंदबाजी का भार संभाले हुए जतिन भट्ट और उनका सामना करेंगे प्रणव त्रिवेदी. 3 पे अपने व्यक्तिगत स्कोर पर. जतिन प्रणव को पटकी हुई गेंद उछाल दिया है. वहां फील्डर मौजूद है और ये आउट. पहले विकेट का पतन हुआ. प्रणव त्रिवेदी 3 रन बनाकर राकेश धारावत द्वारा कैच आउट हुए. जतिन की गेंद पर जतिन भट्ट को मिलती हुई पहली सफलता. नैतिक त्रिवेदी उनके स्थान पर आए. पहली गेंद पर जतिन को विकेट मिली और दोनों बल्लेबाज ने अपने छोर बदल दिए थे. इस तरह से बाएं हाथ के बल्लेबाज विनायक सामना करेंगे जतिन का. नॉन स्ट्राइक के सेंटर पर आएंगे नैतिक. जतिन भट्ट विनायक को ओवर पिच गेंद ऑफ स्टंप पर गेंद को उछाल दिया. कवर और एक्स्ट्रा कवर के बीच में से वहां मिसफील्ड हुई. गेंद जा रही है बाउंड्री के बाहर. 4 रन के लिए एक्स्ट्रा कवर बाउंड्री के बाहर. शानदार एक्टिविटी ब्रांड चौका विनायक के बल्ले से निकलता हुआ. बाईस रन पर पहुंचे विनायक. और फिर एक बार खेलने के लिए तैयार जतिन को। स्कोर हुआ 34। इनिंग की ये चौथी ओवर चल रही है और विनायक सामना कर रहे हैं जतिन का। पटकी हुई गेंद, गेंद को उछाल दिया मिड विकेट और वहां पर काफी अच्छी कोशिश की थी जतिन ने अपने फॉलो थ्रू में, लेकिन कैच नहीं ले पाए। उसके फलस्वरूप 2 रन मिले विनायक को। अपने फॉलो थ्रू में कोशिश तो जरूर अच्छी की थी लेकिन गेंद के नीचे नहीं आ पाए थे। और फिर एक बार खेलने के लिए तैयार विनायक जतिन को। जतिन भट्ट, फिर एक बार पटकी हुई गेंद थी, बैकफुट पर जाकर खेलना चाहते थे, चूके विकेट कीपर ने गेंद को उठाया और गेंद जा रही है फिर एक बार जतिन के पास। स्कोर अभी भी रुका हुआ 36 रन। 36 रन और विनायक सामना कर रहे हैं जतिन का। जतिन भट्ट, शॉर्ट गेंद थी, मिड विकेट क्षेत्र में खेला, कुश ने गेंद को उठाया और गेंद जा रही है फिर एक बार जतिन के पास 1 रन के लिए। और अब नैतिक त्रिवेदी पहली बार स्ट्राइक लेंगे और सामना करेंगे जतिन का। जतिन भट्ट दाहिने हाथ से ओवर द विकेट नैतिक को, बैकफुट पर जाकर खेलना चाहते थे, गेंद जा रही है फाइनल क्षेत्र में, 1 रन पूरा किया, तेजी के साथ दूसरे रन के लिए पलटे और आसानी के साथ 2 रन पूरे किए और लेग बाय का इशारा एम्पायर का। स्कोर आगे बढ़ता हुआ 39 रन। टॉस जीतकर पहले बल्लेबाजी करने का फैसला किया था एचबी क्लासेस के कप्तान ने और काफी हद तक सार्थक किया है विनायक त्रिवेदी ने। जो भरोसा रखा था कप्तान ने अपने बल्लेबाजों के ऊपर, पांचवें ओवर की शुरुआत होगी। कपिल खुद गेंदबाजी का भार संभाले हुए अपनी दूसरी ओवर लेकर और सामना करेंगे सलामी बल्लेबाज विनायक त्रिवेदी, बाएं हाथ के बल्लेबाज। कपिल की पहली गेंद विनायक को, गेंद को उछाल दिया जतिन के पास, वहां पर बाउंड्री लाइन के बाहर जाते हुए रोक दिया जतिन ने और केवल 1 रन। पूर्वानुमान के साथ अपने बाईं ओर चले गए थे और गेंद को जाते हुए रोका। कपिल की अगली गेंद नैतिक त्रिवेदी को, बोल्ड, पहली गेंद पर बोल्ड आउट हो गए। दूसरी विकेट का पतन हुआ 0 और उनके स्थान पर आए मयूर त्रिवेदी। मयूर त्रिवेदी सामना करेंगे कपिल का। कपिल खुद मयूर त्रिवेदी को, अच्छी गेंद, ओवर पिच गेंद थी, गेंद की लाइन में नहीं आए, गेंद गई विकेट कीपर के पास बिना किसी रन के। और फिर एक बार खेलने के लिए तैयार मयूर। कपिल खुद मयूर त्रिवेदी को, श्री एचबी क्लासेस छोर की ओर से कपिल खुद, फिर पटकी हुई गेंद थी, बल्ले का ऊपरी किनारा लेती हुई गई विकेट कीपर के पास और एक आसान सा कैच विकेट कीपर को दे दिया मयूर त्रिवेदी ने। इस ओवर में 2 सफलता हासिल की कपिल ने अब तक। विजय वोरा के साथ पर आए बल्लेबाज। हाँ, बाकी तो सब रिटायर हो गए। विजय वोरा जो शुरुआत से 25 साल से लगातार खेल रहे हैं, उनके साथ में खेलने वाले सभी रिटायर होकर चले गए, लेकिन विजय वोरा अड़िखम एक रन लेने की कोशिश जरूर की थी। स्ट्राइकर सेंड से विनायक ने ना कहा और वापस अपनी क्रीज पर कपिल खुद विनायक को। गेंद को उछाल दिया, वहां फील्डर मौजूद है, देखना है कैच ले पाते या नहीं, और ये आउट। दीपेश भट्ट द्वारा कैच आउट हुए। कपिल को मिलती हुई तीसरी सफलता। हुआ 40 हुआ ना। आखिरी ओवर लेकर जतिन भट्ट। अच्छी गेंद थी, फॉलो थ्रू में गेंद को फील्ड करना चाहते थे, आंख से लगकर गेंद गई लॉन्ग ऑफ क्षेत्र में 1 रन के लिए। किसने मारा ये, नया बैट्समैन कौन है? विजय वोरा को। गेंद को उछाल दिया, लॉन्ग ऑन क्षेत्र में गेंद जा रही है, 1 रन पूरा किया और तेजी के साथ पलटे दूसरे रन के लिए। वहां पर मौका जरूर था, लेकिन जतिन के हाथ में गेंद नहीं आई और दूसरा रन भी पूरा कर लिया विजय वोरा ने। विवेक त्रिवेदी नॉन स्ट्राइकर एंड पर खड़े। विवेक दवे। जतिन विजय वोरा को लेग स्टंप पर गेंद दी, फ्लिक कर दिया, गेंद जा रही है मिड विकेट क्षेत्र में, 1 रन पूरा किया, वहां मिस फील्ड हुई और उसका पूरा फायदा उठाते हुए 2 रन। जतिन भट्ट विजय वोरा को बल्ले का बाहरी किनारा लेती हुई गई फाइन थर्ड मैन क्षेत्र में, वहां भी मिस फील्ड हुई और गेंद सीमा रेखा के बाहर 4 रन के लिए। एक्टिविटी ब्रांड सॉलिड 4 थर्ड मैन क्षेत्र में। और जतिन भट्ट अपने ओवर को आगे बढ़ाते हुए स्कोर पहुंचा 46। अच्छी गेंद थी, फॉलो थ्रू में अटकाया और ये 1 रन पूरा किया।
हेलो,
इस 1 रन के साथ स्कोर पहुंचा 50 रन। एचबी क्लासेस छठी और आखिरी ओवर की आखिरी गेंद लेकर जतिन भट्ट विवेक दवे को। फुल टॉस गेंद थी, आगे आकर उछाल दिया गेंद को, लेकिन वहां कोई फील्डर मौजूद नहीं है। 1 रन और तेजी के साथ 2 रन पूरे किए विवेक ने। इस 2 रन के साथ स्कोर छठे ओवर की समाप्ति पर 52 रन और जीत के लिए चाबुक 11 को 53 रन बनाने होंगे। यस, खाने का काउंटर चालू है अभी, लास्ट 1:30 बजे तक चालू रहेगा। 1:30 बजे के बाद काउंटर बंद कर दिया जाएगा। तो जिसने भी खाना नहीं लिया है वो मेहरबानी करके पहले खाना ले ले, खाना ले ले।
ग्राउंड पे उपस्थित सभी खिलाड़ी एवं दर्शक, ग्राउंड पे उपस्थित सभी खिलाड़ी एवं दर्शकों से विनती की जाती है कि अब से 20-25 मिनट के अंदर काउंटर बंद कर दिया जाएगा। जिन लोगों ने भोजन न किया हो कृपा करके भोजन का लाभ ले लें। अब से 20 से 25 मिनटों के अंदर काउंटर बंद कर दिया जाएगा। Chabuk 11 will be chasing the target of 53 runs. 53 runs to win the match. And Sri HB 11 has to defend their 52 runs to win the match. We saw lovely shots from Vinayak, Vijay Vora, Pranav. We request the captain of the man in black. We request the captain in man in black and Rudra 11 to come along with the team on the right hand side of the commentator box and meet Mr. Suresh Trivedi, Bharat Jedave. We request the captain of man in black and Rudra 11 to come along with the team on the right hand side of the commentator box and meet Suresh Trivedi, Atul Trivedi and Bharat Jedave for the introduction. The next match will be played between Man in Black and Rudra 11. For the Chabuk 11, the two opening batsmen, Kapil Khut and Khush. The two opening batsmen for the Chabuk 11 right in the middle, Kapil and Khush. Kapil Ramanlal Khut of Hatal and Khush Dinesh Dave of Gold. The two opening batsmen right in the middle. And the first over to be bowled by Vinayak. Vinayak Mahesh Trivedi of Bamnera will be bowling the first over from 3 HB Commerce Class 11 and will be bowling to Kapil Khut. Chabuk 11 chasing the target of 53 runs to win the match and 3 HB 11 defending the total of 52 runs. Start the game, start. Vinayak Trivedi, the first ball of the inning to Kapil Khut. That ball has been lifted in the air. There is a man coming down. Oh, that was a dropped possible chance, 100% possible chance dropped by Vijay Vora. Possibly was not able to see in the sun. In that process, Kapil Khut picks up a single. Here's Vinayak once again. That ball keeping low and Khush clean bowled. So, Chabuk 11 losing the first wicket. And the new man walking out is Vivek. Vivek Trivedi of Sevda. Vivek Gopal Trivedi of Sevda once used to play in HB Class 11. playing against HB now. Joining Kapil Khut. 1 for 1. Chabuk 11 chasing the target of 53 runs to win the match. And HB class defending, HB 11 defending the total of 52 runs. Vinayak setting the field for the Vivek. Vivek Trivedi. Excellent batsman to watch when he's flowed. That was a handsome looking shot on the leg side, straight to long on fielder for a single. Both the batsmen batting on 1, 2 for 1. Chabuk in the first over, chasing the target of 53 runs. After this, the fifth match will be played between Man in Black and Rudra. Vinayak to Kapil Khut, want to pull them into the deep fine leg. Straight to fielder for a single. Fielder fumbling with the ball, but batsman not interested in taking the second run. One more to the total. Kapil moves on to 2 and the total moves on to 3 for 1. Vinayak once again, right thumb over the wicket, will be bowling from Sri HB Commerce Class End. Will be bowling to Vivek Trivedi, Vivek Gopal Trivedi of Seuda. Kapil Ramanlal Khut on the non-strikers end. That ball has been lifted in the air. There is a man coming under it. But ball lands into the no man's land and a batsman have got for the three. There is an overthrow and a batsman. Kapil Khut not interested once again into the overthrows. So 2 more to the Vivek. And the total moves on to 4. 5, I beg your pardon, it's a 5. 5 for 1. Vinayak. That's a beauty. There is a man there into the hands. So Vivek Trivedi is out. Caught by man at a long on. Mayur Trivedi for 3. And the Chabuk 11 loses the second wicket on 5. 5 for 2 now. Chasing the target of 53. So excellent over by Vinayak. The first over picking up the 2 wickets. And just conceding 5 runs in that over. Vishal Vora walking out. Mayur Trivedi. The second over to be bowled by Rahul and the new man Vishal Dinesh Vora, the son of Dinesh Vora. Rahul Dave from Sri HB Commerce Class End. Right arm over the wicket, bowling to Kapil Khut. That is taking the outer edge, running down towards the third man. There is a man there. And the batsman picks up 1. So 1 more to the total. Score moves on to 6. 6 for 2. Chasing the target of 53 runs. We are in the second over of the inning. Rahul Dave once again from Sri HB Commerce Class End. Right arm over the wicket will be bowling to Vishal Vora, playing into the mid wicket for a single, and the total moves on to 7. 7 for 2 in the second over. Rahul once again, right arm over the wicket from Sri HB Commerce Class End, bowling to Kapil Khut. Full toss that has been lifted. There is a man there, and another wicket goes. The third wicket goes. Chabuk 11 loses the third wicket. 7 for 3. Man walking out, Jatin Bhatt. Jatin Ravindra Bhatt of Hathal to join Vishal Vora. Chabuk 11 in deep trouble now. chasing the target of 53 runs to win the match. A 7 for 3 in the second over. After this, the fifth match of the day will be played between Man in Black and Rudra 11. Rahul to Jatin Bhatt. That ball has been played into the mid-on, straight to fielder there. And batsman picks up a single. So one more to the total score, moves on to 8. 8 for 3 now. Rahul to Vishal Vora, that is in there. Possible fourth saved by the fielder, and the batsman picks up 2, so 2 more to the total score, moves on to 10. 10 for 3 now in the second over. Rahul the way to Vishal Vora. That ball has been handsomely driven. There is a misfielding there, and a batsman going for another. That's 4. That's waiting for the umpire signal to come. That was a connectivity 4. Activity 4 for Vishal Vora, and the total moves on to 14. अरे जीतू भाई ए हो जाए बढ़िया ही प्रॉपर्टी मैंने ऊपर करावन प्रॉपर्टी मैंने देखो तो अब कहीं 4 की वो वहां से लग के आ गया थे हाँ बम्बू को लगा So that is end of the second over. So after 2 overs, the score reading on दिनेश तुझा मैं पूरा मैच बोलता हूँ ये तू खाना खा गया फिर तू बोलना फिर मैं निकलूंगा Naitik to bowl the third over of the inning will be bowling to Vishal Jatin Bhatt. Naitik to bowl the third over of the inning. Naitik Trivedi. Third over of the inning will be bowling from the Sri HB Commerce Class 11 end. And will be bowling to Jatin Bhatt. Jatin Ravindra Bhatt of Hathal. And here's Naitik. Right arm over the wicket. Bowling to Jatin Bhatt. That has been driven in the air but safe. Running down towards the long on. Straight to fielder for a single. One more to the total. Score moves on to 15. We are in the third over of the inning. Chabuk 11 chasing the target of 53 runs to win the match, and HB 11 defending the total of 52 runs to win the match. Naitik once again right arm over the wicket from 3 HB Commerce Class end. Will be bowling to Jatin Bhatt. Vishal Vora. That ball is taking outer edge, running down towards the third man. 2 men running after it, and the batsman picks up a single. So one more to the total. And the score moves on to 16. 16 for 3. We are in the third over of the inning. That ball has been driven by Jatin Bhatt. Straight to the fielder. One more to the total. Score moves on to 17. 17 for 3 in the third over. Chasing the target of 53 runs. Once again nothing to Vishal Vora. Vishal Dinesh Vora. That ball has been over pitch on the full toss on the leg stump, has been driven handsomely into the mid wicket, straight to fielder for a single. One more to the total. Score moves on to 18. 18 for 3 in the third over, chasing the target of 53 runs to win the match. Still 3 overs to come after this. Naitik once again from Sri HB class 11, HB Commerce class end. Right arm over the wicket will be bowling to Jatin Bhatt. That ball has been driven handsomely in the air, but safe. One bounce over the head of the fielder, running down towards the. That's an activity for. Lovely activity shot from Jatin Bhatt, and the total moves on to 22. (22 for 3 in the third over, chasing the target of 53 runs to win the match. Chabuk 11. After losing the toss, chasing the target of 53 runs. Naitik once again, right arm over the wicket from Sri HB Commerce class end, will be bowling to Jatin Bhatt. Naitik, right arm over the wicket to Jatin Bhatt. That has been once again in the air, straight to the fielder, and what a catch! Lovely catch taken by the fielder at long on. Mayur Trivedi. So Jatin Bhatt is out, caught by Mayur Trivedi. 22 for 4 now. Chabuk 11. Still required 31 runs to win. That marks end of the third over. So after 3 overs, the score reading on 22. 22 for 4. And the man walking out, Dipesh Bhatt. Vishal Vora and Dipesh Bhatt. A short conversation. Planning the games in the last 3 overs. Still required 31 runs in the 3 overs. Dipesh Bhatt. By the time the catch was taken, the batsmen have crossed over, so Dipesh Bhatt will be on the strike. Dipesh Bhatt plays gently back to the bowler, no run result. Vivek Dave from Sri HB Commerce class end. Right arm over the wicket. Bowling to Dipesh Bhatt. Shot. Want to pull it, misses completely. Off the body, runs down to the wicket keeper, no run result. Vivek Dave from Sri HB Commerce class end. Bowling to Dipesh Bhatt. That ball once again, excellent delivery. Dipesh Bhatt, tied up Dipesh Bhatt. Plays defensive shot, no run result. Vivek Dave once again, right arm over the wicket. From the HB class end to bowling to Dipesh Bhatt. Once again, Dipesh Bhatt going for a mighty stroke. Misses completely. 4th dot ball in this over. Things getting tougher for Chabuk 11. Yes, Vivek Dave once again, right arm over the wicket, bowling to Dipesh Bhatt. That ball has been played and the batsman goes for a 1. And batsmen are going for a 2 and they will get it. So 2 more to the total, score moves on to 24 now. (24 for 4). And yes, Vivek Dave, right arm over the wicket from the HB class end, bowling to Dipesh Bhatt, and Dipesh Bhatt once again going for a wild shot, misses completely. Wicketkeeper collects no run result. That marks end of the over. So just 2 runs considered in this over. Excellent bowling by Vivek Dave. Score 24. 4 wickets. 24 for 4 in 4 overs. 2 more overs to go and 29 runs required. Natik to continue from Sri HB Commerce Class End, and the things getting tougher and tougher for Chabuk 11. In the remaining 2 overs, they have to go for 29 runs. Vishal Vora on the strike. Once again, Natik, right arm over the wicket from Sri HB Commerce Class and bowling to Vishal Vora. That has been hoisted. Lovely activity 6. That was a lovely shot from Vishal Vora. Activity 6. Ball. No? 30. It was the very first delivery of the inning of the over. Lovely shot from Vishal Vora. Atul bhai, ball. Natik once again from the right arm over the wicket from the HB Class 11 end will be bowling to Vishal Vora. Natik to Vishal Vora. That ball has been driven by Vishal right to fielder at deep square leg. There is a misfielding and the batsman going for a 2. So 2 more to the total. Score moves on to 32 now. 21 runs still required. 8 runs scored in this over. Natik once again. Right arm over the wicket from Sri HB Commerce Class end. That ball has been hosted. There is a man there. And the batsman picks up a single. So 1 more to the total. Score moves on to 33. 9 runs scored in this over. Natik once again. Right arm over the wickets. Slow and steady. Moving from his bowling run-up. Running towards Dipesh Bhatt. Right arm over the wicket, balls to Dipesh Bhatt. That has been lifted in the air. Waiting for the out. And this time he has been caught at a deep cover by Vijay Vora. So Dipesh Bhatt departs. Another wicket goes for the Chabuk 11. Rakesh Dharawat is the new man walking out. And by the time the catch was taken, the batsmen have crossed over. So the score reading now 33 for 5. 20 runs to go in 8 possible deliveries. 8 ball, 20 run. Lot depends on क्योंकि विशाल बोरा इधर ही है. Natik Trivedi to Rakesh Dharawat. Right arm over the wicket. Natik to Rakesh Dharawat. Full toss. That ball has been played. No ball called by umpire. So 2 runs. 35. 17 more required. 8 deliveries to come. बराबर? हाँ. Natik to Vishal Vora. That ball has been punched away into the third man. Straight to the fielder for a single, and only one they will get. One more to the total. Score moves on to 36. 17 runs still required. 7 balls to go and 17 runs to be scored for the Chabuk 11 to win the match. Naitik to Rakesh Dharawat. Lovely shot all along the ground, running down to the fielder, and there is a fumbling with the ball, and a batsman goes for a 2. So 2 more to the total, and the score moves on to 38. Now last over coming on, 6 ball and 15 runs to be scored. Excellent. Vivek Dave will be bowling the last over of the inning of Chabuk 11. Vishal Vora will be on the strike. Everything depends on Vishal Vora. He is a wonderful batsman. We have seen him in the past doing the impossible thing, making possible. Let's see what he does. Vivek Dave to Vishal Vora. Bye declared by umpire. 39. Vivek Dave once again will be bowling to Rakesh Dharawat. The game getting tougher and tougher. Once again Vivek Dave to Rakesh Dharawat. Full toss, and that's another activity 6. Excellent shot by Rakesh Dharawat. Full toss on the leg stump, pulled away into the fine leg for activity 6. 45 now. Rakesh Dharawat have changed the things. 4 balls and 8 runs to go. Vivek Dave once again to Rakesh Dharawat. Right arm over the wicket. Oh, that was a waiting for the umpire signal. Batsman have crossed for the one. Bye declared by umpire. Now 3 balls and 7 runs to go. 3 balls, 7 runs. Vishal Vora, Rakesh Dharawat, word of short conversation, planning the innings, how to get this 7 runs in 3 balls. HB captains and the players, how to save this 6 runs. बच्चे लोग नीचे आ जाओ. So Vivek Dave once again from the HB class 11 end will be bowling to Vishal Vora. 2 balls, 7 runs. Things getting tougher and tougher. Which way it will go, nobody knows. Vivek Dave to Vishal Vora. That ball has been played into the deep. Batsman going for a 2. Now he has to go Vishal Vora for a big shot. Big shot required from Vishal Vora now. 1 ball, 5 runs to go. 4 will tie the match. And that HBL 11 have won the match.